Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have some exciting news to share with you. Have you ever thought of becoming a published author? Maybe you never had the confidence or even the opportunity to put your work out there. Well, guess what? Amazon KDP just gave you the perfect reason to finally tell your story. Yes, your story. The KDP Independent Writing Competition is here, guys. The 2025 Kindle Storytelling Award. This is your moment to shine. So let's get straight into the process. This competition is hosted by Amazon KDP. It recognizes outstanding new books published on KDP platform. So if you have a book that has never been published or you are currently writing a script, dust it off, take it off the shelf, and take a chance on yourself. And guess what? To enter is free. It's absolutely free, guys. So let's talk about how to enter this fabulous competition. Firstly, all you have to do is ensure you have a KDP account. If you do not have a KDP account, see the link in the description on how to create your own KDP account. Not only this, you must be 18 years and over to enter. Also, your book must be published on KDP during the period 1st of May to 31st of August 2025. When you are publishing your book, you must put in your keyword metadata field Storyteller UK 2025. You must put this in your metadata in order for KDP to know that your book is part of the competition. Ensure that your book is able to be converted to ebook and paperback because your book must be available for sale in both ebook and paperback exclusively through Amazon KDP. You must also enroll in KDP Select. Not only this, you must be publishing in English. So, guys, there are various competitions happening now as it relates to Amazon KDP, but I am just informing you as to the English competition, which is the KDP Storyteller. Once you have complied with all the entry requirements, just like that, you can be considered. And the great thing is that you can enter as many times as you want. So pull those books off the shelf and get started giving yourself the push to becoming self published. As in any competition, you know the focus is always about the prizes. What are we going to win if, in fact, we are successful? So let's talk prices. The main prize is £20,000. Yes, you heard me correctly. 20,000, as well as a book launch merchandising package with Amazon. All other finalists receive a Kindle Oasis e-reader. But even if you do not win, remember it's a learning experience and you can only become better than you were before. Also, Amazon gives your book great exposure and it can still be selected for Amazon publication. Well, I hope by now you are excited as I am. No more waiting around, watching the book on the shelf, or even thinking if your book is good enough. This is an opportunity of a lifetime and one you do not want to miss. As you can see, last year's winner was a thriller titled Stateside by J.D. Kirk. It's now your turn. So drop Storyteller 25 in the comments and let me know that you are going to take a chance on yourself. Yet to check the links in the description below and like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. drop a comment, and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.